Mango-Cheesecake Spring Rolls are the perfect blend of creamy, fruity, and crispy goodness. Imagine the rich, velvety taste of cheesecake combined with the tropical sweetness of mango, all wrapped up in a crunchy spring roll. This dessert is a fun and delicious twist on the classic cheesecake that's sure to impress. Start by gathering your ingredients. For the cheesecake filling, you'll need cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, and an egg. For the mango filling, pick 2 ripe mangoes, a bit of lemon juice, and honey if you like it sweeter. Don't forget the spring roll wrappers, an egg for sealing and oil for frying. Optional ingredients like cinnamon, fresh mint, or powdered sugar can take the flavor up a notch. You'll need some basic kitchen tools like mixing bowls, a hand mixer, and a knife. A deep fryer or large skillet is ideal for frying, and paper towels will help drain the excess oil. To make the cheesecake filling, mix softened cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Add an egg and mix until everything is well combined. The texture should be thick and creamy. Choose mangoes that are ripe but firm. Peel and dice them, then toss the cubes with lemon juice. You can add honey for extra sweetness or sauté the mangoes with butter and sugar for a caramelized touch. Lay a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of cheesecake filling, followed by the mango cubes. Don't overfill, or wrapping will be tricky. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the sides and roll tightly. Seal the edges with a beaten egg to prevent them from opening during frying. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the rolls until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Fry in batches to avoid overcrowding. For a healthier option, bake the rolls at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or use an air fryer for 8 to 10 minutes at the same temperature. A dipping sauce can elevate these spring rolls. Mix honey with lime juice for a sweet option, or blend fresh mango with lime juice for a tangy dip. Serve your spring rolls with a garnish of fresh mint and a dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, pair them with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Reheat them in the oven to keep them crispy. Feel free to experiment with different fruits like strawberries or pineapple, or add a layer of chocolate for an indulgent twist. For a vegan version, use dairy-free substitutes and an egg replacer. Mango-Cheesecake Spring Rolls are a fun and unique dessert that brings together the best of both worlds, cheesecake and spring rolls. With this guide, you'll be able to create a treat that's sure to delight anyone who tries it. Give it a go and let your creativity shine.